Hello and welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey, and today I'm going to be covering the differences between gas and wood-fired pizza ovens. If you're looking into buying a pizza oven and you're not sure which one to get, first of all you need to consider whether you want a gas-fired pizza oven, a wood-fired pizza oven, or one that's multi-fueled. I'm going to go through my thoughts on using both a gas and a wood-fired pizza oven. The question I asked myself when I bought my first pizza oven was, what fuel would I prefer to use outside? I was never happy using a gas barbecue, and so the first pizza oven I bought was a wood pizza oven. Gas-fired pizza ovens generally are very easy to keep clean and to set up. The gas cable just clamps onto the gas canister with one click and you're ready to go. Most start with an ignition on the dial, but some don't. The flame control is brilliant on a gas oven because you have the option of a low or a high flame in seconds, and also the heat of the oven is easily controlled. They don't get messy. The only mess I create in them is from my own cooking, so there's no ash or soot debris like a wood-fired pizza oven. So gas-fired pizza stones, the area that's closer to you, there tends to be some debris accumulation there because the flame can't burn it off. Best thing to do there is just turn the stone around after every cook. So you can turn it over or turn it to face the flame so you can just get to that high heat to burn off the debris. So you can cook under a canopy with a gas-fired oven because there's no chimney. So if it's inclement weather, you have that choice of cooking underneath. With gas bottles, you are reliant on the supply, and at the moment the supply of gas bottles is currently low in my area. The cook with the gas burner is super. It delivers a fantastic flame cook onto your pizza. You can cook other dishes in a sizzler pan with it as well. Gas-fired pizza ovens don't normally come with a chimney, they don't come with pizza doors, so you would be cooking and the heat will be coming out through the front. A gas-fired flame is slightly different to a wood flame. However, the ovens that have come out over the last few years have developed a beautiful wispy flame from the gas burner, which is very similar to that of a wood flame. Overall, gas-fired ovens are easy to use and maintain, they keep clean, just need some storage for a gas bottle and the oven and a few pizza accessories and you're good to go. If you're thinking of buying a wood-fired pizza oven, they do require a lot more setting up time. It's not significantly more, it's about 15 minutes it takes me to set up for a wood-fired cook. I had to learn how to start a fire because I'd never actually done that before, and I had to learn how to keep the fire going and maintain it. It's a very short learning curve because once you've done it a few times you know how it works, and you'll also know how to keep the fire going. You'll learn how to keep the fire going and you won't even think about it. I prefer personally cooking with wood than I do with gas. Even though gas is very easy, there's something about cooking with wood. I just enjoy setting it all up and I enjoy maintaining the fire at the back. I could also cook at very high heat with logs and lump wood. Many of the pizza ovens come with a chimney and a door so you can cook bread in wood-fired pizza ovens and other dishes on a low simmering heat from the embers of your lump wood and your wood. Some wood-fired pizza ovens don't come with a chimney. Wood-fired ovens that don't have a chimney, the heat comes through the front. That's not an issue because even though it's hot, just like the gas-fired ovens, it won't go near your face because you will not be putting your body that close to the pizza oven. It's just too hot. It'll just swiftly come through the front of the oven and then escape right up. It isn't an issue at all. The only thing though with wood-fired ovens that don't have a chimney is that they cannot then have a pizza door on them. So they only have the front as a means for heat to escape. That'll mean that it can't have a door on there. Not having a pizza door on the oven means that you won't be able to cook bread because that does need a door to regulate the heat. So the benefits are that it's more fun to cook, I think, with wood, and the setting it up of the fire and everything is more fun for me personally anyway. There's something about it. It's a different experience cooking with wood all round. You can cook at high heat and the logs provide a lovely wispy flame. The glow in the oven makes you feel warm in the winter months when you use a wood-fired pizza oven. There's an accumulation of ash on the stone before and during the cook. I do get some of that ash on my pizza base sometimes. However, a quick brush is all that's needed to remove that from the stone. Burning embers sometimes fall off the wood grate at the back of the oven onto the stone. That's never been an issue, it just burns away. The interior of wood pizza ovens can get sooty, but due to the high intense heat from the wood flame, most of it burns off. The same with any debris left from your pizza cook, that also burns off. It easily cleans the stone due to that high intense wood-fired heat. But the disadvantages are that it can be a lot messier to set up. I mean, I put the lump wood in and the soot from the lump wood goes everywhere. The wood is fine, the wood logs, I don't worry about that. So that means it does take a bit longer to set up for your cook. So I do tend to cook with wood on nicer days so I don't have to rush the cook or the setup. You also have to learn how to start a wood fire as well and keep that going. It's just basic knowledge, but once you've done it a few times, you won't even think about it. Cooking with both wood and gas is enjoyable. I would be happy just to have one or the other. At the end of the day, if I had a choice of which one, it would be difficult. That's why I think multi-fueled ovens are great, because you can have that choice. And it's just amazing that we've got this lovely selection of pizza ovens now that we can choose from to cook great pizza in the garden. But if you are looking for something quick and easy to set up, then the gas is exactly that. And if you're looking for a bit more outdoor cooking, wood-fired flame experience, then there's that option too. You can buy pizza ovens that can cook pizza up to 12 inches and 16 inches. The 16-inch pizza ovens are bigger. There's a selection there for you to choose from. That applies to both gas and wood-fired pizza ovens. So when you're thinking of buying a pizza oven, think about what size pizza you will really be making. Personally, I find making the big pizza quite a challenge, so I'd be happy with a 12-inch pizza oven. So I hope this video has helped you if you're thinking of buying a gas or wood-fired pizza oven. I get asked a lot which is the best oven. All of the ovens I've used so far are super ovens. They all cook great pizza. I think the most important decision you need to make is which fuel do you want to cook with, and what size pizza will you be making, and will you be making other things in the oven, for instance bread, or will you just be making pizza? Anyway, hope this video has helped you. Hope you've enjoyed it. Take care and see you soon. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.